Hello everybody, today I will show you how to get Marketplace if you miss it from your Facebook. So all what you have to do right now, guys, you have to check that you don't have Marketplace. For me, I have. For the person or the people who doesn't have, you should go first to your settings of your phone, and next you have to open the apps option, and right now you will wait until it's showing you all the applications. Search for Facebook and open Facebook right now. Go to the storage option here. Be careful because you need just to click on clear cache, back and click on force stop and click OK. Then guys, you should go to Play Store or App Store. If you use iPhone, you have to search right now for Facebook, and you need right now to update it. If it's showing you here update, then restart your phone, and that's all. So don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.